Hi everyone, it's Kasmay Mike. So today I'm going to make one of the most popular Filipino dishes. It's the chicken adobo. So this is an absolute classic. It's basically every single Filipino person knows how to cook adobo. And the interesting thing is we all have kind of different versions of it, different ways of cooking it. So I'm gonna show you, the approach that I've learned from being from Nueva Ecija. So this is our Tagalog version of the chicken adobo. All right. So now that our classic chicken adobo is done, it's time to serve it. And the best way to do it is to put it on top of rice. Don't forget to put some sauce. So the other thing that we also do, and this is optional, you can put some hard-boiled eggs. And then put some sauce on top of it too.